Hello everybody, and thanks for joining me for another action figure review. This time we're taking a look at the SooSoo Toys hero lawyer here, which of course is Matt Murdock Daredevil from the Netflix TV show. And well, it's a pretty good figure, but let's dig into the details and begin with a look at the box. Here we have the box with Matt Murdock and also the image of Daredevil in the background. Nothing really special about the box, maybe except the blind writing here that you cannot really feel, but you can see it, and of course it's a nice touch. Also on the sides, and here we have again the Daredevil helmet on the back. So let's get the box out of the way and look at the accessories. This is SooSoo Toys figure number ST013, and as usual we get a display base here with the Daredevil logo, which is nice. We also get a bunch of hands, open hands, fisted hands, enough to have plenty to use, and we also get two extension pieces here. And now the most important thing, of course, the figure itself. And here we have Matt Murdock in his suit that he would usually wear when he is working as a lawyer, and not, of course, when he is Daredevil. And, well, first of all, I think the head sculpt is pretty good, because I think it captures the, well, stare that he has. Charlie Cox, the actor, he is looking, but, well, really not looking anywhere, just staring like he does, of course, because he is supposed to be blind. And then we have a few scars and scratches, also cool. So, all in all, I think SooSoo Toys made a really good head sculpt with the likeness of Charlie Cox. And the tailor is also pretty good. The suit is in a good quality. You can, of course, display him without the jacket, and it can also be closed or buttoned up here. And the pants and the shoes, also good quality. So, nothing to complain about, really. If we compare Matt Murdock to Logan here, also from SooSoo Toys, you can see that there is a slight height difference. And I don't really know that it's supposed to be there, because I don't think Logan is supposed to be taller than Matt Murdock. But if you want to change that, of course, you can use the extension pieces and make him a little taller. Besides that, I think the body here used for Logan and the one used for Matt Murdock, if you compare these bodies, I think the Matt Murdock body seems a bit more heavy and solid, but I don't know if it's the suit. But it's still, it gives me an impression that it's a solid figure. We have a good amount of head movement here. The arms go up. We have double jointed elbows. And even though it's restricted by the suit, you can still turn and tilt the body. The legs go up and they bend. Also double jointed. And we have angle articulation as well, so pretty good articulation. And of course, as I said, it's a bit hindered by the suit. If you take or remove the jacket, then of course you will be able to get a more aggressive pose and a wider range of movement. Here we have Matt Murdock with his sunglasses and his cane. And a detail I also have to mention is that all the hands have these scars or marks. That tells us that he has been in a fist fight and he is hurt, and it's really cool, well made by SooSoo Toys. So why would you get a figure like this? Well, first of all, because I think it's a good looking figure with the likeness of Daredevil, Matt Murdock. Secondly, maybe because you want a body with a nice suit and you can display it with another head sculpt. And a third reason could be, like, I have thought that I would use the head sculpt to make a black suit Daredevil, also from the TV show, the suit from the first and the third season. That could also be a reason. I think when you get this figure, of course you get the figure, you get the other opportunities as well, and that's why I will recommend at least to check this figure out, because it's also reasonably priced. So for now I will just say that in the background here we have the Cult Creations alleyway diorama. Check out the video about the diorama, because it's also pretty cool. And then thanks a lot for watching this review. Leave a comment and subscribe if you would like to see more.